Introducing the concrete pourer attachment, available from HE Services Plant Hire Limited. Available for hire with any of our machines, from 8 to 24 tonne excavators, this concrete pourer, commonly referred to as a concrete skip, is a game changer in the construction industry. Crafted with precision, it boasts two spouts, one facing forward, the other backwards, providing unparalleled versatility. This ingenious design allows the operator to evenly distribute concrete in both directions with ease. Safety is paramount, and with the concrete pourer, there's no need for workers to be in close proximity during the pouring process. The spout facing away from the machine offers pinpoint accuracy when pouring into formwork or shuttering. It's a level of control that transforms precision pouring. Meanwhile, the spout facing towards the machine provides the operator with enhanced visibility. This clarity translates to increased accuracy, ensuring your concrete is placed exactly where you need it. For more information on the concrete pourer attachment and for a wide range of cutting-edge solutions, visit HE Services today at heservices.co.uk.